Alright guys, what I'm going to show you is how to rig up for bobber floating for steelhead. Take one of these. It's really easy. You can do it yourself, but these are so much easier. Put that through the line there. Pull a little plastic piece off. And now you gotta do is pull these together. Just like that. Okay. You grab your scissors. You just cut these little nibs off. Like so. I guess you can see it pretty good there. And then I put in one of these little bobber stop beads. So just like that. And then you grab your bobbers. I like these, they're pretty cheap, they work pretty good. Basically what I do is I use the ounce, and then I also use ounce swivel weight. These are a little more expensive. I do have the other ones, I just haven't been able to make any. That's going to be a little pain in my butt, isn't it? Try it again. Basically we just thread this through here. You can also, I've seen a lot of people, they suck on these things. I've done it a couple times, and getting cord all the way down your throat is not very fun. Plus, if you know, it kind of looks funny. This is more of a pain in the butt, but it works. Alright, I'll push this up a little bit. Alright, then you just take your swivel weight, put this on here. Sorry, my hands are a little cold today. And then you twist it. Try to get in the end here. A lot of times it doesn't work for me. Tying knots is the most frustrating part of me fishing. Perfect. Alright. You can fish jigs, you can fish all kinds of different stuff. Earlier I made some puff balls at home. Little puff balls. I use a double-A glued knot. And I put a corky on. I don't know why it's not focusing on there. Put a corky on, and I'm actually using my little bass rubber stops. A lot of guys just use the little ones I just showed you on the other line. These ones are just easier. And this thing is awesome. What are they called? Hook-eez. It's got line cutter on them. Basically what you do is you put on your pinky here, you put your inside, you put your straight hook on there, right, and then you close it, okay, and then you thread your line through it, and then you can twist it like this, tie it up. There's all different ways you can tie hooks on it if you want to look at them. I really like them. I've got like a box of 10 of these. Ended up giving them away to other fishermen because they thought they were pretty cool, so I ended up just giving them away. And start using those. Alright, to recap, you got your line knot on there. You got your bobber stop bead, your bobber to your swivel line. And then you take the other line. And we are just going to tie this bad boy on there. So I think what I'm using is a 30-pound braid with a 20-pound monofilament. It works pretty well. I like braid. I use it for bass fishing and everything. It works pretty good, I guess, doing this because it kind of floats on the water. I'm kind of torn though because I don't like the way it acts in the water itself. You know, in slack water it works pretty good, but in fast water I don't find it to work the way I want it to. Alright, we got those tied up. Got that bad boy on there. And then we just clip the little nibbits off. Like so. And we're ready to go. And what I usually do is, if you see, you have an opening there, and this is where I put all my scents. Put it in there and then I just kind of squish it on there. It works pretty good. Alright, that's it. That's how to tie a bobber.